Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to make a beautiful keychain at home using this yellow color of nylon thread. First we are going to make a hole like this and make two loops. Now remove the end of the nylon thread on both of the side like this and pull it tightly and you will get this beautiful design. Again we are going to remove the end like this. After this we are going to pull all the thread and make a circular knot like this and look, it's ready. We all have empty bottles at home, so let's recycle them today. Here we are going to remove the white ring from the bottle and take this red color of nylon thread, or you can take whatever color you like. Now we are going to tie a knot like this, make a hole like we are doing here and remove the end of the thread like this and pull the thread tightly. Now we are going to cover the entire ring one after another. In this video we are going to make a beautiful keychain like this. Now repeat the same process and cover it. Look, it's done now. Finally, we are going to make a knot at the end. So make a large loop like this. After this, we're going to tie a knob and pull it tightly and look, it's done. Similar way, we're going to repeat the same process. Pull it tightly and tie a knot. Cut the extra fabric like this. And look, your keychain is ready. You can put it on your key like this and it's done. In this video, we're going to cover these marbles and make a beautiful keychain out of it. First, put the marble between two fingers. Here we're going to use this yellow color of nylon thread. Now we are going to remove the thread between your fingers and cover the marble from its sides as well. Now we're going to cover the marble from top and bottom portion. So put the thread between holes like this. We're going to repeat the process 4 times like this. And look, it's done. Finally, we are going to pull all the thread one after another. Pull tightly and cover the entire ball like this. Adjust the threads like this. After this, we're going to cut the extra part using scissors and using this lighter, we're going to fix it. Now we are making a large loop and tie a knot like we're doing here. So remove the thread from the ball and tie a knot like this. Cut the extra part from this side as well, and similarly, we're going to fix it using fire and look, it's ready. Look at this keychain is old, so let's give it a new look. We're going to use this green color of nylon thread and make a beautiful keychain out of it. Here we are going to put the thread on both of the key and the chain. Now we are going to use this straw and roll the thread around the straw over and over again like this. And now we are going to remove the end of the thread inside the straw and like this. Now gently remove the straw and pull the thread tightly like we're doing here. At the end, we're going to cut the extra part of the thread and fix it using fire like this. Press it and the corner is fixed. And look, your keychain is also looking great. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.